If you are over 50 and trying to maintain or build muscle, you have probably been told to eat more eggs, chicken, and whey protein. But what if I told you that after a certain age, your body actually stops recognizing these foods? It is a biological condition called anabolic resistance. And it is the reason why so many older adults see their legs getting thinner and their strength declining, no matter how much animal protein they eat. But scientists have recently discovered 5 rare seeds that actually bypass this resistance and force aging muscles to grow. Stick around for later in the video, because I'm going to reveal the exact seed you need to eat to naturally boost your declining testosterone. You absolutely do not want to miss it. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Masters of Iron and click the notification bell so you never miss our evidence-based protocols for aging with absolute power. Let's dive into the science of the senior super seeds. Let's start with a biological reality. There are over 3,200 edible seed varieties on Earth, but researchers have identified exactly 5 that possess a rare combination of enzymes and amino acids capable of bypassing anabolic resistance. After 60 or 70, your muscles develop a shield against ordinary protein. Your digestive system slows down, and your body struggles to break down complex animal proteins into usable tissue. But these 5 specific seeds have unique molecular structures that slip right past your aging digestive barriers, entering the bloodstream faster and activating the exact repair enzymes that drop dramatically as we age. These seeds outperformed eggs in older adults by a massive margin in clinical observations. Let's break down the first one. The first muscle-activating seed is quinoa. Most people think it's a grain, but it is actually a seed that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, which is incredibly rare in the plant world. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults eating quinoa daily increased their muscle protein synthesis by 27% more than those eating the same amount of egg protein. Why? Because quinoa contains ecdysterone, a natural compound that acts like a gentle steroid in your body, pushing muscle growth without dangerous side effects. The protocol. But you cannot just eat it cold in a salad. To unlock it, you must soak it overnight in warm water and apple cider vinegar to break down its protective coating. Then, cook it in bone broth instead of water to add collagen, and heat it to at least 140 degrees. Add a teaspoon of black pepper to increase absorption by 20%. And eat it within 2 hours of waking up when your muscles are most depleted. But who has time to stand over a stove in the morning? To cook your quinoa perfectly in just 5 minutes instead of 30, we highly recommend using a high-quality Instant Pot. We have sourced the top-rated organic quinoa and the classic Instant Pot duo to make your meal prep effortless. Scan the QR code on screen right now or click the direct links in the description below to upgrade your kitchen setup. Our second powerhouse is hemp seeds. 3 tablespoons contain a whopping 10 grams of complete protein, which is denser than beef or fish. But the magic is in the structure. 65% of the protein in hemp seeds is edestin, a rare protein nearly identical to the proteins in your own blood plasma. This means an aging body recognizes it instantly and shuttles it straight to your muscles, skipping the exhausting digestive process that meat requires. Furthermore, hemp seeds possess a perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, radically dropping the chronic joint inflammation that halts your training. The protocol. The golden rule for hemp seeds? Never heat them above 100 degrees, or you will destroy the delicate fatty acids. Keep them raw. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon on your meals 4 times a day, especially right before bed to fuel your overnight muscle repair. To get the absolute highest concentration of pure edestin protein, you need premium-grade raw hemp hearts. We recommend these top-rated, certified organic hemp seeds that are minimally processed to preserve those delicate omega fatty acids. Scan the QR code on screen or head to the link in the description to grab yours and start fueling your overnight recovery. Seed number 3 was the survival secret of ancient warriors, chia seeds. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they expand to 12 times their size, creating a mucilaginous gel in your stomach. For an older adult, This is the holy grail. This gel creates a slow-release protein drip that feeds your muscles continuously for up to 6 hours. If you are over 60 and struggle to eat 5 large meals a day, Chia prevents the catabolic muscle breakdown that happens between meals. The protocol: never eat them dry, as they will dehydrate your gut. You must mix 2 tablespoons with coconut water and let them soak for exactly 20 minutes to create chia pudding. Eat a serving right before bed mixed with honey to trigger a massive release of growth hormone during your deep sleep. To ensure the gelatinous protein drip feed is clean and nutrient-dense, quality is key. We recommend these top-rated organic chia seeds that expand perfectly without any chemical additives. To get your hands on this ancient muscle builder, scan the QR code now or click the link in the description to grab a bag. Now for the secret I promised you at the beginning of the video. If you want to naturally boost your testosterone, the master hormone for building muscle, you need raw pumpkin seeds. German researchers found that men over 70 who ate just 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds daily increased their free testosterone levels by 23% in 8 weeks, leading to proportional increases in muscle mass. They are loaded with the exact ratios of zinc, magnesium, and iron required to produce testosterone. Furthermore, they contain tryptophan and arginine, which trigger your pituitary gland to release growth hormone. The protocol: but there is a catch. Raw pumpkin seeds contain enzyme inhibitors that block protein digestion. You must either roast them at 300 degrees for 15 minutes or soak them in salt water for 10 hours. Grind them into a powder for maximum absorption, and never eat them with dairy, as calcium blocks the zinc absorption. To get the maximum free testosterone spike, you need clean, unsalted, raw pumpkin seeds loaded with zinc and magnesium. These top-rated organic raw pumpkin seeds are perfect for roasting or soaking according to our protocol. Scan the QR code or click the description link below to secure your daily supply. Our final seed literally overrides the aging process: flax seeds. Japanese scientists discovered that flax seeds contain powerful compounds called lignans that block the exact enzyme responsible for breaking down testosterone in aging bodies. Essentially, lignans bind to hormone receptors in your muscle cells and force them to grow, even when your natural hormone levels have tanked. The protocol: whole flax seeds will pass right through you undigested. You must grind them fresh daily. Mix 2 tablespoons with warm water, let it sit for 10 minutes to form a gel, and drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. This is when your muscle-destroying cortisol levels are at their highest. The flax seeds effectively hijack that cortisol and protect your muscle tissue. Remember, whole flax seeds are far fresher and keep their healthy lignans intact much longer than pre-ground flax. To get the maximum cortisol-blocking benefits, grind them fresh daily using a high-speed electric coffee grinder. We recommend these organic whole flax seeds and this top-rated electric grinder for a perfect daily dose. Scan the QR code on screen or click the links in the description below to grab both. Eggs, steak, and whey protein all have their place, but when you hit 50, 60, and beyond, your biology changes. By strategically using quinoa, hemp, chia, pumpkin, and flax seeds, you can bypass anabolic resistance, optimize your hormones, and give your body the exact tools it needs to pack on dense muscle. To help you get started, we have compiled our top-rated recommendations and gear for all 5 of these super seeds, including the organic brands we use and the electric grinder and instant pot to prep them. You can find all the direct purchase links listed in the description below, or by scanning the QR code shown earlier in the video. If this breakdown gave you a new weapon to use in your nutrition arsenal, hit the like button, share this video with a fellow lifter who refuses to settle for frailty, and don't forget to subscribe to Masters of Iron and check the notification bell so you never miss an evidence-based protocol. Age bold, train hard, and live strong. We will see you next time.